In the previous video, we looked at the first gas law, Charles's law. Now, let's take a look at another gas law, Boyle's law. Boyle's law tells us that if the temperature of a gas is constant, then the volume is inversely proportional to its absolute pressure. The equation we'll be working with is new volume V is equal to the original volume V prime multiplied by the original pressure P prime divided by the new pressure P. This means that as the volume increases, the pressure decreases, or if the volume decreases, the pressure increases. We can see this in the picture. As we decrease the volume, we have the same number of gas particles floating around, but they are compressed. Since they are compressed, this means the pressure is increased. Let's take a look at an example of Boyle's law. Some oxygen occupies 500 cubic inches at an absolute pressure of 40 pounds per square inch. What is its volume at an absolute pressure of 100 pounds per square inch? First, let's write down the equation we are using. V equals V prime multiplied by P prime divided by P. We can substitute in 500 cubic inches for the original volume, V prime, and 40 psi as the original pressure, or P prime. The new pressure, or P, is 100 psi. Calculating, we see that the new volume, V, is equal to 200 cubic inches. This makes sense because the pressure is increasing, so that means the volume must be decreasing. This concludes our discussion on liquids and gases.